Okay, so here's the problem. If I boot the Ravager, okay, if you go into the BIOS, yeah, I'm having a bearing problem with the rear fan as well. It's supposed to be brand new, I'm not sure what gives. So yeah, as you can see, it's stuttering at 92. Basically what's happening is, it's not spinning up the hard drives properly. The 3 traditional hard drives at the bottom, it's not working properly. It's stuttering there. So upon powering up, start at A0, 92. It's not powering up properly. A0. See, it keeps alternating between A0 and 92 now. That's because it's very confused. 2 other drives are not responding properly to it. So yeah, upon boot, it's still stuck in booting. Still not wanting to boot. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so upon booting, go to Advanced. Keyboard is not working anymore. You go to Read Expert 2 Configuration Utility. You go Controller Management, Information. Hold on. Array Management. Array Management. You can see that it says RAID 0 has failed. Array is supposed to be 2.5 GB, but if we back it out, you see that number of disks are offline. 1 or 2 of the physical disks are always offline for some reason. Now if I switch it off, okay, I wait a few minutes and then I turn it back on, there's something wrong with this battery. UPS not working properly. Okay. Yeah, this keyboard is not working so well. I think the battery is gone. In any case, right. The K260 isn't working. I think the battery is also gone. Thankfully I have the Dell Japanese keyboard up and it's working fine. But anyway, yeah, you can see it's having problem trying to get in. But now that it's rebooted, check the RAID configuration utility. Manage every property, and now it says it's normal. And if you check the disks, it says all the drives are online now. So yeah, you can confirm from here it's pretty much a power supply problem, power supply issue. So we are going to get the power supply replaced. After all, this machine, according to the PSU Outer Vision PSU calculator, this machine needs 950 watts of power minimum and 1050 watts of power optimal. The power supply I have in here is only a 900 watt. So right, we're going to replace it.